Welcome back. Continuing the news, a battle of the lawyers. The PNP's Oswest Senior Smith officially presented as the opposition candidate to go up against the JLP's Leslie Campbell in the St. Catherine Northeastern constituency. At a meeting Sunday night, he declared he's the candidate to correct what he termed decades of failure from the JLP in the constituency. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
Northeast St. Catherine will be one of those seats forming the next government of the People's National Party.
An opposition in waiting, hoping to form the next government, and attorney Oswest Senior Smith officially presented as the man to win back the St. Catherine Northeastern seat for the People's National Party (PNP). Party officials tackling the JLP for unmet promises. The PNP candidate took on Finance Minister Nigel Clark over the devaluing dollar and other economic policies.
It is the banks who are profiting from the sale of foreign exchange. We know that there are certain big business interests who will profit from the devaluation of the dollar, but the masses, the everyday people who have to go to supermarket, who have to send their children to school, the taxi drivers, my gas bill is $15,000 now to fill my vehicle.
At a PNP meeting on Sunday, Mr. Smith made his own promise to tackle pressing needs he says the JLP has failed to meet in St. Catherine Northeastern over the years. Cell phone service, internet connection, markets for farmers, roads and utilities.
What kind of self-respecting member of parliament, what kind of self-respecting JLP administration, after you have had this constituency for 21 unbroken years, the constituency has shown its support behind you, and you have betrayed them by not providing such a basic amenity like water. Senior Smith will be ensuring that you have water in this constituency.
Sitting MP Leslie Campbell has already started work and has made his own promise to address the challenges. But under the conviction that he's the best man for the job, the PNP candidate has urged supporters to work intensely with him to get persons enumerated to vote PNP when general elections are called. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.